Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. Today in this video I will be showing you how to fix TikTok unstable connection. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So the first method will be for checking the updates. Now I'm using an Android phone, so let's go to the Play Store and search for TikTok. There you go. And as you tap on it, and as you can see, there's an update button. Just update the TikTok app and you'll be good to go. And the second method will be by clearing the app cache. Open the settings at first, then go to manage apps, go to apps, then manage apps, then search for TikTok, tap on it, then tap on the storage option, then tap on clear data, then clear cache, then hit OK. Then the third method will be by uninstalling and reinstalling the app, as shown like this. Just uninstall, hit OK, and then again open Play Store and install it again. And lastly, just restart the phone and you should be good to go. So this is it for today. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like these and comment down your thoughts below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.